my gosh. Look at this. I was just outside. My cat is under that table by the shed. And he won't come out because I threw him in the snow because he's an asshole. I just sat my ass in the snow and now my butt is freezing. Oh look! He's emerging! I can't let him go out there alone. He sees me. Hi, kitty! Yeah, you're going back in the hut. You can't move. You're mad. Oh my gosh. Sitting in my brother's bed. Look at that thing right there, out there. Bet you've never seen one of those before. It's like a fountain you can swim in. My dad made it. Pretty outside though, in the sky. Ugh, I'm gonna go now because I need to change. Oh, he's emerging again. Can you make it, Elvis? Can you make it? I don't see you anymore. I see your tail. I see your tail. Up. Back into the hut. You're stuck there. Oh well. Bye-bye.